Eranomigho, you don't they do ever since. I just keep you quiet. I keep you quiet. I don't want to just get anything to do with you. And the family, they not even need your support, anything. I don't come here, come follow you to come make trouble. But if you need it, we'll open the bag. You know me. And I know you very well. I don't do cover for you. I don't do the beg people for you. I don't need that. I don't advise you. I dey manage you since you never dey match naked wire. When I dey manage you, everything was okay. But people don't know. You dey seek my advice. I dey advise you. See the way you tell on matter. See the way you know tell on matter when you not affect you. Since when I leave you now, you go tomorrow you jump from APC to PDP. From PDP, they insult APC, they insult PDP. Come on, they know they do things like that. That one step aside. Now another day we will talk about that one. Now your video, and you know ever since I know they watch you, I block you. I block you because of attitude what you do for platform. When you never tell everybody knows say you no love a day one day. Now they say hatred what you get for a day, now you get for your own mother. That is why you carry the day take cover face. Make people don't know. People are wondering if you get parents. You don't ever show your parents one day. Why you they lie? Tell the world how everything take happen. Tell your world how you take off your parents. What it cause trouble between me and you? Tell the world, tell the truth. If you not tell the truth, me, I will personally come out, come tell the world. Because as they just beg me, I leave you, me just they do your craze, they go. Me, I just leave you, but it's getting out of hand. You don't feel the spoil for the family. We're not quiet anymore. You see, when I advise you that time, you say I try to claim saying I mean no pass. Today now, what will happen? When me and you follow the same road, you enjoyed it. You use me and dump me during the campaign period. I don't talk. I quiet. When did they die? Did they leave message say, may anybody not cause trouble for him burial? He use God to beg you. And did they personally beg you because you know you are the troublemaker? And I have the evidence. And did they beg you, please, if I don't go, body don't weak, I will soon come out. As God don't forget to take her since she don't ready to decide and say she won't go. And did they drop message for you, Eranomigho? You know value the day. What I tell you platform where they remove me. I say, so did they leave message for you say, may you and your mama sister, your auntie, may we not quarrel with anybody you want to settle. You say nobody will come from anywhere we will settle that matter. What thing did they tell you? And you call the show say you too love your grandmama, person go advise you know they take. What kind of love is that? Now you tell remove me. But when they go give me the power, may I go open platform, everybody follow me. Then you start to misbehave. When burial periods reach. How this my uncle way Eranomigho they talk about so how Eranomigho they contribute to that man death today. I will tell you a word. This man is a very nice man, peaceful man. We do meeting. The meeting where we do, we let the man know say, hey, they say made them burial for Bini. Even as a day hospital, if they take people with it, they say, now lucky house. You want to follow me, they carry and come lock your which is my house. Say hungry, not dey my house. And I be small picking. Nobody they born me direct. I born mama. We don't get that right. Okay, when did they break leg? Nobody grip pick am from village. I call Eranomigho. I said, see what did happen. Meanwhile, Eranomigho car in Nigeria. Me, I get cash one square, the other one is unnumbered. Then the daughter come say, in the fear, if they carry they come Bini. He might tell us say they didn't go back to village again. So it's better we carry doctor from Bini, go village or more go Abraka. She go pay. Now I call Eranomigho. Eranomigho say, may they go carry her. I say, see what the doctor talk. Oh. He say, if they come Bini, you know, get the feeling say that they go come back. So more carry doctor go meet her. And then Eranomigho say, he had no them. Since they don't give me carry her, he had no, I say, leave her. As they don't believe, if you carry her now, maybe if you die now, you kill the day. Now advice on me, you just remove your hand. You remove your hand. But when they want, when they don't bring, when they come say, They don't give me the bread, they come back to Benin. I call Eranomigho, say, Eranomigho, they say me they carry them. Ah, yeah, don't they? Even though they say the day they cry, they pains. He say, you know, concern her. They think touch me. Say, Eranomigho, they talk. Oh. He said, now, the first talk, say, no, you can tell me, say, if they carry and come Benin, you know, go hard. So, you know, they get hard. Anything we concern, it didn't matter. Hospital matter, I know they concern her. So, me, I did the one, my auntie, where they insult, where they take off, your mama. That one, no reason say, my mama get children for abroad. You go see fame money from America, go give her sister. Mona, they see where jealousy, they worry around me, what that so. And those are the women for US where take off and where they small. Very ungrateful human being. You know who the shame. As this in pay me rich, I said, okay, this my car, we don't get number. If they will collect them because of the day, may they collect them. Call my brother. I beg, you go village, go carry the day come hospital. Then I call this my auntie, say, the boy will want to carry and beg and find something for now. He say, fuel, no demo and battery, no the work. They go repair those things. Martin say, me, he go call her direct, me, he go fix everything. He fix on, like this boy, only in one. Go village, go carry the day call that night. As you can't call Eranomigho, say they don't come Benin. Hey, what you say, the matter, what you man, people want, you know, they put it hard. And you say you love a day. Why you not going to show that love? I don't supposed to say all this because the way they go and they pass boundary. So I need to just make this guy enter house. Make they do in social media, where they cause trouble for the whole family. They insult everybody. I'm not a party to that. Now even the amount of people who make me know they do video, yeah, I don't want all those kinds of things. As the day company, they carry come hospital. Eranomigho be now if I go hospital, go do video. I can't look and say, but you say what it concern the day hospital and the day no concern you because say now me and my auntie, two of them for US, now we can't go hospital. One error, not be say pay. He doing 11 normal video finish, he come out. Before all those one, the children, they find way how they'll take remove the day from hospital to hospital. In the Benin. In the Benin. At the same time, my own mom that know they fine. Now only me want to spend money put for and the year say, you know, we never can go. Eranomigho, you know your mama hospital card. You know how many times at the can go hospital. What do you first tell me? You don't tell me say you get children and your wife, now then be your family. When you concern my papa, my mama, your rest simply say no concern you. Why you they lie give people say where you don't carry your man go? You even know hospital when I they carry and go when it go worse, when they for the treatment, you know how much I they spend. It concern you. You know how she take they eat. Once in a while, they give her money. Why you know you face your business? Why you want my trouble? I don't do they give you space. So all those things pass. Then Eranomigho came in with trouble in platform. Nobody where Eranomigho don't fight for the whole family. And they gave 4 women and 1 man and they can't remain. This man might be the senior now. The man said they stay in America. This man can say, I even personally we talk with this man. We will not talk to him again. Say, see what they talk. If they say, now your house for Benin, they go bury you put. The man say, ain't no get space for your mama where they want bury and put. And the day we born, you say no get space for your house. I personally call this man. Say, uncle, they say 1 room, they 1 store, they your house for Benin. Make we drive person where they that store. Make we they pay money where that person they pay you as rent every month or every year. So that maybe we for bury it, they put for that place. The man say no space. Your wife say no space. Okay, maybe they put them for outside compound. He says, so can we did there. He said, get house for village. And meanwhile, the family said, now the wife get the land. Now the man built the house. So as that public come dey, they can't fight that fight for more platform. Then at the end of the day, the man can't look the whole matter. He can't say, okay. Me consider and say, if they agree, may they come bury the people for my house. I'm fine with that. They say no. As far as say picking their house. And that my auntie will build a house, give a day that uncompleted bidding. It be like uncompleted bidding where they did the day before. Now this woman where Eranomigho they insult every blessed day. Now I build the house for the day. I can't even tell this man, tell them for platforms, okay, the house where auntie built for the day, may a pa, the room where they want bury the day put, that room will belong to a pa forever. Until you green, he say he green. If the man want carry the forward, he go write paper sign. Now we talk to the pa. The pa say, you no need that, no problem. We'll find solution to that. So because of Eranomigho and this my auntie, they get more issue. And they don't settle that matter. Eranomigho don't listen. So because the same woman I built the house for the day, when they say we made the bury her put for there, Eranomigho say, I no go happen. Before them, this man with my man, all of them, they can't do meeting. They can't agree. Say, what year did they talk? Where they say me they bury her, they will go bury the day put for the day house. Where did they stay? We don't do everything. They can't donate for the burial. They can't arrange everything. As a donator, Eranomigho 1 era, no deo, he not donate anything, but only to make trouble. So then, when Eranomigho go help person for outside, same money give his friends, he go carry the sleep, call the family platform. Any audio where they play, go give her, take tanker, he go carry a platform. Now they come and say, this one a family platform. Why they concern your friend with this platform? No, they don't like vessel. I don't know whether that one reach where person will best put. He begin to insult everybody. People where you just mention in name, mention their names. No one for age where Eranomigho near. You want respect, but you know they respect others. How do you think the younger one will respect you? So the hospital matter can't finish. It did come by. As we speak, Eranomigho they try push blame, go give people. So when the time reach for a few days to this man, he don't agree. Say, what did they talk? Now he wants to put hand. Maybe they go bury and they put for where they stay. Because the family don't already disagree. Say, they not go carry this and they go the man house of village. Because now they say the woman, now the wife now get the land. Now the man build the house. The family say their mother not go follow in-law house, go heaven. Then, as Eranomigho no hear, say, the senior man don't agree. Say, they go bury the day put for the house where sister Isoken built for a day for many years ago, where they did stay. Now Eranomigho spark, say, hey, this woman want women now. I no go green. He go meet this power late today now. That man is a peaceful man. Eranomigho manipulate this man, manipulate against his English. They can't get problem. Now come want them say, anybody where they have as a pa, where children come tell the insultant for platform, that person not go better for them. Now I see write a pa children say, Mona come out na papa head from Eranomigho hand. He go escort her, Eranomigho go escort her that pit where you not go expect. May una papa decide what you want to do. The man don't decide, say, nah mama. Now they will bury mama. Eranomigho say no, the green lie. It's just for him to green, he go die. He go use yes, he go use this one, take pack. And the day people, and the day children go lock them for Abuja. Now that one I hear, now my head just spark say, who Eranomigho they threaten? Your family, you want to go fight for your family? Now we take ready for each other. Shame never let them talk what happen for village. Now we take ready. I call the tell people say, this man is a very peaceful man. He don't agree. 1 against 4 is not possible. And before we remain, those women, they be like, I don't know what, may I just put her like that. Eranomigho manipulate this man, manipulate her to the extent that the man, when they don't dig grave, the man change mind, say, the you know go grave, give me the burial they put for the day house. Then all of us go pack, go family house for village. He just sit down, they want to talk. Now ask Eranomigho. Eranomigho, now your mama die, I mean your papa die. Where you they carry, you want thief person, dead body so. You supposed to stand with your mother, support your mother, stay behind your mother. Not be say you carry chest come out. But people don't know say you not get love for your mother. That is why they tell people say see your mother. You carry the day first road, say that the day be your mother. The same the day when you say you love, now the same the day you say you no go green make it rest. You say you no go green. Now I'm one for family meeting. I say stay clear. Make people who want bury their mama, make them decide. So make them decide. Eranomigho say no the green. The whole matter when the family comes see the way the Eranomigho they press, they do things, and the children they drag their mother from Eranomigho. Now there the family can decide. Say if they not go leave her for this side, the first one, they not go leave her, go bury her for where they say one stay. I tell you, Eranomigho say the kind matter where you they support is no good. Yeah. The family say Eranomigho, you command food for their mouth. As we speak, the day is not successfully buried. He shall never let her talk. Burial, we not do burial. We not do. Eranomigho use fight, scatter everything. As they carry the cup, they come. He said me they just direct and go to the house where family say they not green. The children say they don't want. And where did they? I block them. Say no. Carry and go where did they say? And they take carry and go where did they say? Before family come from there, the day family come from there, carry on. And as we want to do the burial, Eranomigho na die minute. Die minute. Like they manipulate this man. And you know say this man get the way the body be, not to sound like that. This man only stress. But Eranomigho push this man to the end. We be say this man head don't carry load. He escort this man, escort and enter grave today. Eranomigho, you do ever the escort, you see the end. And you should be scared. And if you know what is good for you now, go and call the family. All of them, now advice I want to give you now, because I don't block you for long. I don't block you. Your mother beg me now. The only thing I'll tell you, go and call the family. Go apologize to the children. And you are still doing your do. Go, because there is no place where they dig two grave for one person is forbidden. It's forbidden. Eranomigho make them to dig second grave. You make them to dig second grave the same day. Just because of you have a problem with the auntie. And they say auntie, they take off your mother. And they say auntie will take off you. Traditionally, I was the one that was even doing things to make sure say the two grave not affect anybody. Because it's forbidden in our land. They know they dig two grave for one person. The grave is already ready. And we go manipulate people. That night, they go to dig another grave. And they said it's forbidden. We try. I try. Up to now. Now me pay for things where they do tradition. May they cover one grave. Before they go bury the put for inside where they go put them. And where the Eranomigho, they appear and say they go bury the put. They father house where nobody there again. The ceiling won't fall. The ceiling won't fall. Nobody say they renovate them. They not renovate them. Because of pepper body jealousness. Where the jealousness go your hide. As you all say, this man buy big house by US. Eranomigho head your bust. Instead of you make you happy, your auntie they progress. You get the jealous hand. Which kind of human being you be? I don't get a lot to just tell you today. But if not they tell the world the truth, I will come here open your nyash. I will be the person who will drag you at the house. Just face your politics. Remove my family out of your nonsense. The way you they do it, I mean, that's why they do it. You think say your parents go get peace. Now you they give people headache every day. I go to Nigeria. Now yesterday I come back from Nigeria. Before I come, I saw they beg for your matter. You think say has go let you enter, or you they pack security follow body. You know how many people where they will fit by. You know how many people will they protect you because of your dubious character. You go see naked wire, you go pull leg. Nothing they happen. You go see this one, you sort of. They know they do life like that. So now I told Just imagine. The money of it. Now feed, they don't clear where they want to go. They don't arrange canopy put. Eranomigho go the feed where you not support them with 1 naira. You go organize, make them return the canopy upside down, make them turn up. How they can't tell me now, go meet them. How much you take support this better? Zero. All the money you collected from social media, you spend it on yourself. Not only that, Mama get 4 meeting. I call Mama, which help you need? I don't need any meeting, I don't need any meeting. Mama said, Eranomigho promise am, say, make I not worry. You go do everything. Okay. Who want help you now? Who want help you? Mama not too define. Eranomigho refused to allow the wife to come to the day burial. Now that one person will love it, daddy. Me way leg, no even too strong for grant. I manage, carry my wife, go house. Now my wife go support my mama for village. The one where she don't me direct. But that one wife still come. The second wife sit down for her side. In the press phone. While the first wife, join my wife and the good people of our street, they cook for my side. Eranomigho, they cook for him. People will bring, come better. Even some of the people where Eranomigho bring, if they allow them to eat when they are hungry, they came to me and eat in my house. If not allow, make it go well. Eranomigho refused to buy generator to pump water because if he buy, go leave her for them for village. Because of that, no buy. They from my back come carry my generator, go to the pump water for her. They say Eranomigho insult in mama sister. Oh! And he say he love the day. I want to tell everybody where they follow Eranomigho waka. Wanna be careful. If you escort una, either I grave or you will enter trouble. As I observe these things, now I stay clear for me. A lot of people they come that and say, oh, why you not campaign again? Why you not campaign again? Because the campaign came through him. And the person who go see money here, I go just be like, who want keep person? For me, I know they follow that kind of person waka. And who they jealous like tomorrow day. Your auntie, Sister Margaret, Sister Soken, I didn't take off. This guy will just measure their name. Like say they be made. Because all those ones just they progress. Eranomigho day where is that put. Those ones they work day and night, they progress. Now they jealousy don't enter body. Land where you say, my auntie buy for Lagos. Eranomigho. Hey, Sister Soken cannot give you land back. Which land you say give Jolly, your friend for US, where you they live for live video? If we move where those things you are saying, there's evidence. Okay, now believe. Okay, evidence is. So you play mama. You say you go take off everything. Eranomigho, how many meat you give mama? What if I don't go? Me and my wife not go buy cow. Waiting mama for te eat give from meeting people. And mama consider believe him. He said he go give me. He said he go give me. They want rich. Make them start to the cook. Where the cow want give you? Where the rice? Go give me 2 bags. He go say he go do this one. People will help this man for a compound to give him food, not problem. There is no other person where you go tell describe Eranomigho apart from dictator. How you go tell people where can't help you for better when to eat, when not to eat. The day where they want dance, they say that they're hungry. He said, make them reach feet first. Make them go. Because they came to my place. Say, why will I not eat for that side? They don't fit to. They don't fit for. Come on, when are you going to change? This area social way they talk today, our uncle will die today now. Since where you enter America, now as soon as they die, now you want to start to make friends. To just penetrate into the family, make you scatter, make you scatter them. And you don't scatter succeed, and you go push this man to early grave. This man agrees with the sisters and brothers. Say, now where did they stay? Now they go bury the they put. Now Eranomigho head boss, Eranomigho. I ask you for village, for family meeting. Now your mama die, be now your papa die where you dey drag so. Who shall be your own? Now only you want happy. They not knowing you use it there for business. Because the attitude when you perform, it shows say you use it, they take collect money at our house. Because everything when they want to give a bed before, where they let you them back, your one are not inside. You only entertain your people. You know fair drive the day for your house. Because your own sister, Pikin, come you the house. You say they go they enter your house. Come they see the day because of that one, you not drive the day. The same place you drive me from Akpata, house you rented. You say I don't wash your car clean well. Eranomigho, I be though they forgive you. And when I get stressed, you see they remind me many things. I don't want you. They your own. Leave the family and face your business. Face your business. Don't let me talk. If you don't forget things, I don't forget. As I don't forgive you for village that day, I be talking. I say that day, it go be life history. He has said, belupi, you are home. You know, see, as your security tell you, say, the security one I see follow call, they say, this one a family issue, they know they talk put. They know talk put. As you use I take talk to the rich. They don't mind you now. So now that one will give you sense, say, family matter. You get the way that they hang you around, talk. They know they say, do and die affair. They tell you, you say you love it the day, Eranomigho. You control them to go and bury the day for that house. We like no day, Eranomigho. Up to now, you don't go renovate that house. You don't go put light. When you see where the day they stay, you see the way the children take build that place. And then I know say you are an evil person. The day I will come and play that audio, maybe tomorrow. The audio that is with you, the day left for you. That is the day I listen to that audio, that is the day I started disrespecting you. And that I will keep on insulting you for you to disrespect the day. Because the way I dislike you, the day speak with you, you refuse to listen to it the day. Then you not come public. Because they cry, I know you. This one I just warning. And if you don't know, make you just know today. That my mass brother who died today, now you contribute to that man death. Even though say you don't see old more. Now you contribute. If you don't give that man stress for head, that man came to Nigeria peacefully. All the names say, I don't agree with my sisters. Now waiting my sisters talk. Now I put hand. You just come manipulate that man. When you know as the village be, they were not happy with you. They were not happy with you, and you know. And most of the officers, they were not happy with you. They came to me. Because you want to be doing things. Now you they control. Now you they do this one, but the village, then back. Go and be careful. Go be careful. Go and do the needful. So that you go enjoy this life. House, family. Not be where they do gra. Not be, they know they fight for house. They give title to anybody. I told you like this, they look you when you create all those problems. Carry the man, go here. Carry and go here. You don't let that man rest one day. Carry problem, put for this man head. You escort this man, escort him. He reach where he want reach now. You back up. This man, where you don't, this man with it. With the family, they don't they happy. You enter the family, you scatter him. So you get the guts to come out on live. Come the lie give people. When they tell your mama not tell you, say, remove her from this matter. Your mama not tell you. Not be your mama, now your grandmama. Your mama now you supposed to support. For the old bed, how much you give your mama? You sent 1 million naira. How you take support your mama, we put from my account. Who you say me go use that thing, go buy things, give your mama. Who? Your wife. If you are not a dictator, why do you refuse your wife not to come to Nigeria and support your mother? Who you will not allow that woman to travel? You will not allow that woman to do what she wants? You will tell the woman when to call the family, when not to call, things to do, things not to do. Are you doing it? They see they do all those things. Go and change. Sin no more. Your sin is too much. That's why you come and go to talk now. How much for cow? Cow is $1 million plus. How much you give your mama? 1 million. How you think say you want to take care of herself? So you come out and you call the talk, say you support your mama for burial. You cook everything. You use your llama, take do suya for your people. Where you carry come from Benin. Even some of your people, you left them. Few of them, now me take off them. I even give them transport fare. The way they abandon them. Some officer, wife, top ranking officers, you left them. You know they regard person, and you go they want me person they regard you. How that one will happen? How? You carry your auntie con they insult like saying that your mate. And when I go retaliate and you say, Lucky, you don't start to, you know they respect me. How you want me to respect you? Now luck when you get that day. If not mama, you know they listen to anybody, but they listen. I for lock this way here, not the other side. Because I go more gone. And I tell you, see what you cost for full family now. They bury you. You spoil everything. Now, the family say me they can't redo burial again because of Eranomigho. Eranomigho come out, he say burial successful. Which burial successful? Which burial? Huh? This man just grace saying the burial they beautiful. That's why you think they want out. Eranomigho say no. You see the way you take by this man. You go escort this one, you go enter pit. You go escort this one, you go lose. Escort this one, you go buy. You know where they wait you. Me, my man last. Me, my pa last. That there they wait you. The best thing will go good for you. If you just call, do the needful, just run. Because you are a bad head to the family. Who you help? Who? When you just lie, say no, you just leave the grace, the credit for you, make just the carry the go. Sister, that one you just want. Carry the go. For your mass children, your sister and brother, which one you want to play? And what did they do you? If you come online, we can't tell you what. If not be jealous where they worry you. Who? You don't know what you tell your pa. When you and government official come away, see, you don't know what you tell your papa. And the way you take off your papa, the way you take insult your papa, that's all your children will take insult you Eranomigho. The way you take insult your parents, that's all your children will take insult you Eranomigho. If you do for your papa, your children will do for you. If you do for your mama, your children will do for you. But if you not do, and you go to tell people, so that's all you do, Eranomigho, all your children, that's all they go wicked you, the way they wicked my parents. Say they carry mama go hospital. Which hospital you don't ever carry your papa go or your mama go? Which one? No, just say for the past 2 years. Which hospital? One of your junior brother, where they don't see for many years now. I know how much I don't spend when I take the final. What do you don't do? You say you're not concerned, you get your children. Now your children with family. Why you couldn't come online? Couldn't talk anything concern my family? Why you not face your own? That uncle now, you don't push on, escort on, and you escort on enter grave today. Eranomigho, when will you change? When will you change? When? I have a good egg with you. I manage you, advise you. Now, Pastor Kite give you small thing. Manage you. Now, Dr. Aswante give you small thing. When I left you now, you see? Erina. That my mwe kemiri. I will there Obama. I want to know hospital where you carry your mama go, where you go talk online. Say that's why you cannot go there, that's why you cannot go here. Just stop to the lie. I don't want to vex me. You know how much I don't spend. You fit tell people how much you don't spend. For the lie where they worry my mama. The one where they worry my pa. You get luck. You get luck. As you just reach your pack compound, those as you just rush back, you for wait that day. I flog on your body for you. And then you will know say man the past man. The whole village, they go clap and they beat you. They talk and follow you. The way they come on food for your mouth. Everybody they okay. The barrier, they don't arrange. You destroy everything. Put musician for your house. Like say that your mama die. If the children, they follow the other one, they fight. The other one, they follow and they fight. Since way that man, I think your buy house for US, Eranomigho, just the boss. Just the boss. Say, Marty, where you come yesterday? The woman, all the day fine, they take off everybody, up to him mama. The woman go say money, can give him mama. Eranomigho, you don't feel they do anything. They type people where they help your family. They appreciate people. All they do, only you, you know. Just come out, come they tell people lie. I don't warn you, and I see they warn you again now. If you let me, they come out for you. I don't decide because of you. I know anything we concerning those live video. I leave one for you. Anybody will not get any family for show me that way they disgrace them, make them thank God for their life. If you not get anyone where they bring disgrace to your family on social media, just go and thank God. Una no know what that thing be. Una no know what thing be. Nigeria when I go. If not because of you. If not because of you. If not because of you. That's how you spoil my family. That's how you spoil my uncle name. That's how you spoil my auntie name. That's how you do this one. JP2B. JP2B. That your brother. Ha! I beg. Wala. I beg because of mama. Because of my papa. I beg. I little no more than who you're my own. They know they pay me the first child die for person. You just create problem full everywhere. If I were Eranomigho, where I don't say Eranomigho no fit change. And this thing you happen to the Eranomigho supposed to know say na he kill that man. Now Eranomigho supposed to know say na he buy that man uncle. Because that man a very peaceful man. He just agree for the family. Say the only one thing where you know fit do, he no get space for Bini. But the house where my sister, my auntie built for the day, he agree me they go bed and put for them. Now there Eranomigho your buy. Quick. Now your mama die Eranomigho. Why you go they drag it the day? Your mama not there. You know the way your mother they eat. You know where your siblings stay for Europe, Eranomigho. I guess straight that day. No name will not give my wife. If you want to live polygamous life, that one a choice. Not they force anybody enter. Waiting of it do. We just okay, maybe you're there. You know, get one way, you're there, maybe you're doing your own. But you call the cross line. The cross line. Not be say people don't get what they want to talk. We just decide to just let you do what they do. But you can't buy the finger that affects you. You know, even the shame they talk about land for Lagos. Land when you say give a pajoli. Eranomigho, they shame, no they lie. I said they collect my land. Now say you want build house for village. Auntie say me not build me. Eranomigho, those you not get what you want to talk again. What you just do? Call a day family. Call a day children. Go and beg them. Beg them. Say now you as you destroy the barrier, may they forgive you. You go buy me cough. Go carry the day come from that place where did they say me the bury and put. Go bury and put for there. If not, Eranomigho, which time they see a big pass me and you. They eat. They know they common food from people mouth one and two. The person right will who their life not the change them. Now the way they right and I say they be. When I say they don't die, you know get say. Now what you do now mind now what they do. This is just a little advice for you because I don't even think say me and you go ever sit down or do things together again. Because the evil in you is bigger than the devil I know. Go and change. You just rush come out. Waiting that man. Why you go tell that man say me no green? Me they put the day for where did they stay? Why? Because of aunties, okay? Person will take off you. Because the woman get past you, you enter your body. Your mama sister did the same state with you. Your mama sisters. This our uncle is die all of the day US. Who you they call? Who be your friend for this side? Who? And they don't die before you come no say all of the day US. Now this one you choose to follow this, and the other one will just press and go down. until you start to respect my sisters. Now then you will see respect for my aunt. As you say, my sisters, then be your, then be children for where you day. People will take off you with this more. Just the courage to do the swear for the anyhow. Like they might be made. Amigo, make a year me kids say you insult my aunties there. That's why I would insult you because you don't deserve respect. Just cause trouble, follow the whole family. This man for their life today now.